异常声。
Upon hearing this alarm, you should proceed to your assembly station. If you are in your cabin, bring warm clothing and any vital medication. Do not bring any personal belongings or luggage. In addition to signs and low-level guidance system, there will be crew members to guide you. During emergency, you should use the stairs as the elevators may not work. Your assembly stations is indicated on your safety poster in your cabin and on your access card.
当您听见紧急信号，请前往您的紧急集合站。如果您在房间内，请携带保暖衣物和必要的药品。请不要携带您的其他私人物品或行李。我们的员工将会指引您前往您的紧急集合站。在紧急情况下，请使用楼梯，电梯将可能会停止运作。请各位乘客根据门后的指示牌前往您的紧急集合站。您的紧急集合站的位置也可以在您的房间钥匙卡上找到。
All assembly stations on board World Dream are located inside the ship. Assembly Station A is located on Deck 6 forward in the Silk Road. Assembly Station B is located on Deck 7 forward in the Blue Lagoon and the Dream Store. Assembly Station C is located on Deck 8 forward in the Seafood Grill, Prime Steakhouse, and Tributes Entertainment Lounge. Assembly Station D is located on Deck 7 mid in the Resorts World at Sea Casino. Assembly Station E is located on Deck 7 aft in the Dream Dining Room lower. Assembly Station F is located on Deck 8 aft in the Dream Dining Room upper.
世界梦号所有的紧急集合站位于船内。紧急集合站 A 位于6楼船头丝路花舞餐厅。紧急集合站 B 位于7楼船头蓝湖咖啡座和星梦礼品店。紧急集合站 C 位于8楼船头海珍坊、1号爬房和新颂月廊。紧急集合站 D 位于7楼船中云顶世界娱乐场。紧急集合站 E 位于7楼船尾星梦轩餐厅下层。紧急集合站 F 位于8楼船尾星梦轩餐厅上层。
At the assembly station, the crew will distribute life jackets to everyone. Life jackets for children will also be provided.
我们的工作人员会在紧急集合站给每位乘客发放救生衣，如有需要，同时也将提供儿童专属救生衣。
The crew will now demonstrate how to put on the life jacket.
紧急集合站的工作人员将会向你展示如何穿着救生衣。
Put the life jacket over your head.
请将救生衣穿过头部。
Pass the strap around your back.
将绳从背后绕过。
Fasten the belt and pull it tight.
扣上扣带并拉紧。
Fasten the small buckle as well.
同时也扣紧胸前的扣带。
The life jacket is equipped with light and the whistle to draw attention. The light will be activated in contact with water. If we need to jump overboard, press your hands against the life jacket to prevent it from hitting your face when landing in the water.
救生衣上备有灯和口哨，当灯接触水时将会自动亮起。如需要跳入水中时，请双手按住救生衣领口，以防止救生衣拍打面部。
For further information, please watch the ship's safety video and study the safety poster in your cabin. Should you have any questions regarding safety on board, please do not hesitate to ask our friendly crew. On behalf of Dream Cruises, the captain and his crew, we wish you a pleasant cruise. Thank you for your attention.
如果您想了解更多关于船上的安全信息，请收看房间内的安全视频。如有任何疑问，请咨询星梦号的工作人员。在此，仅代表星梦号的船长及全体船员，预祝您有一个愉快的海上假期。谢谢您的合作。